NHS specialist sexual health clinics can help you stay safe and enjoy sexual relationships. We can help if you want to have sex but you are not ready for a baby. We can give you advice about things that will stop you or your partner getting pregnant. We can also help if you've had sex in the last 5 days and you are worried about getting pregnant. If this is the case, contact us as soon as possible. Or we can help if you just want to talk to someone about sex and sexual relationships. We understand that it can be embarrassing and scary to ask for help with these things. We know that everyone is different. People have different types of relationships and people like different types of sex. Our staff will always accept you and try to help you. All our services are free. You can phone to make an appointment to see us, or ask someone to phone for you. Please ask if you would like to see someone of a specific gender at your appointment, and we will try and arrange it.
We have clinics all across Hampshire and the Isle of Wight. There are clinics for those with learning disabilities. They are in Southampton, Portsmouth, Basingstoke and Newport on the Isle of Wight. We have very experienced and specialist staff at our learning disabilities clinic. We will take more time and make sure you have the support you need to get the care that is right for you. We have information in Easy Read which might help you. If you think you need extra time and support because of your learning disability, please ask when you book your appointment.
We keep your information private, but if you would like to bring someone with you for support, you can. When you arrive at the clinic, the receptionist will ask you if you have an appointment. If you do, the receptionist will take your details and ask you to take a seat. Someone will come and take you to the clinic room when they are ready to see you. We can provide a person who can support you whilst you are in with a nurse or doctor. This person is called a chaperone. If you do not have an appointment, the receptionist will ask you to take a seat while they find someone to talk to you about how we can help you. In the clinic room, we will ask you some personal questions. All our staff are friendly and kind. They understand you might feel worried or uncomfortable. If you do not know all the answers to the questions, this is okay. These will include questions about who you've had sex with, what kind of sex you have, and if you have any pains or problems. We might ask you about your health and if you have any allergies. If appropriate, we might ask you about your periods and if you've been pregnant before. Sometimes we might need to know if any of your family have had any problems with their bones, if they've had heart problems or if they've had a stroke. We can offer you sexual health testing. You can find out more about this in our other videos. We will ask you questions during the appointment, so you might want to prepare some answers before you go to the clinic. When you book your appointment, let us know if you would like a list of the types of questions we will ask you to help you prepare.
Once we have asked these questions, we can explain to you the different things you can use to stop you having a baby. We may suggest for you to use condoms. We can show you how to use a condom properly. We can give you condoms to take away with you. We can discuss different contraceptive options that might be best for you. This may include a tablet, an implant, a patch, a ring, an injection, or a coil. If you're not sure, you can take time to think about your options. You can make another appointment and come back on a different day. We will try to explain everything clearly to you. We have easy read information that you can take away. If you have had sex in the last 5 days, you may be worried that you have got pregnant. We may be able to offer you a tablet or a coil that will stop you from getting pregnant. This does not always work, but we can talk to you about your options.
We will usually want to speak to you again after your appointment. We might phone to check how you are. We might book another appointment to see you. We want you to know that we are an independent service. This means that we would not share your information with your GP or any other service. Sometimes you may tell us something that we need to share with others. We will only do this with your knowledge and only if we are worried about your safety or the safety of others. Remember, we are always here to help you stay safe and enjoy sexual relationships.